Welcome to Foxtecc. If you're trying to see someone's location on an iPhone, you can do it, but only if they have agreed to share it with you. Unlike some other tracking methods, iPhones require both people to confirm location sharing before it works. There are a few ways to do this, and which one you choose depends on what works best for you and the other person. One of the easiest ways to share a location, even across different types of phones, is through WhatsApp. This method works with both iPhones and Androids, making it a good option if not everyone in your group uses Apple devices. Inside a WhatsApp chat, tap the plus icon and then select Location. From there, you can choose to share either a one-time location or enable live sharing, which updates in real time for a set period. This is useful if you're meeting up with someone and want to see their movements for a while. If both people are using Apple devices, the best option is the Find My app. Open Find My, go to the People tab, and if someone has already shared their location with you, you'll see them on the map. Location sharing can be set for an hour, until the end of the day, or indefinitely, depending on what they choose. If you don't have their location yet, you can request it by tapping Start Sharing Location and asking them to share theirs in return. For even more tracking features, third-party apps like Life360 allow continuous location sharing between multiple people. These apps can provide additional details like location history or custom alerts, but they do require both users to have the app installed and active. Still, for most situations, Apple's built-in options or WhatsApp should be more than enough. That's how you can see someone's location on an iPhone as long as they've agreed to share it. If this was helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Foxtecc for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching and see you later.